there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one, and I have a funny story about this project that I'm going to share with you shortly. But it's beautiful. It's using the new Brightly Gleaming Designer Series paper and the matching duo of punches. There's two of them that you get, two different ornament shapes. And I want to say that was greatest. No, I can't. Do you know what? I can't remember now. Here's the funny story. I made this bag about 5 days after getting off the incentive trip. And when you're on the incentive trips with Stampin' Up, they give you lots and lots of free product. And bits of it coordinate. So I had the punches but not the stamps. I had the paper but not the stamps. Didn't have the ribbon. So I kind of put this together because I desperately wanted to play with it. But now I do have everything. I don't have everything. I have everything that I want. And that means that playtime has come round, which I'm really excited about, but also to share, for those of you who know me very well and have been following me for the last 6 years, I've been a demonstrator. I have a series called Poodles Advent Countdown. It comes every single year and I work down through 24 projects, sometimes 25, because that's how many days there are in Advent. This year I'm doing it differently. Still going to get all the projects, there's going to be 25 this year, but instead of doing them one a week in September, then 2 a week, October, November and December, I am doing 25 of them back to back over 5 weeks. 5 weeks, yep, starting on Monday. For 5 full weeks, Monday through Friday, there will be a video every day, which you're used to now anyway. I've been doing that since June. But they will be focused on the Christmas catalogue or autumn-winter catalogue, but it will be an Advent countdown. The weekends will be my usual card projects, but I'm very excited. So, moving on to this. So this is 6 by 12 inches, the paper, and I'm going to use the other half, but instead of doing punched shapes, I'm going to be doing stamping. So 6 by 12, 30.5 by 15 centimetres. This is an easy bag to make. I've made plenty of them in the past. But my measurements are slightly different, so I'm going with 1.5, 5 3/4, 7 1/4, and 11.5 inches, which in metric is 4, 14.5, 18.5, 29. Then you turn it to the side and score at 1.5, which is 4. So it measures up at, try and get this right, 1.5, 4.5, 4 inches. No, that's not right, 4 1/4 inches, which in metric is 4 centimetres, 10.5 centimetres, 11 centimetres. There you go, I haven't got any of that written down. Insta maths. Okay, like I say, this is an easy bag to make. I love making them with paper. I don't think I've made this actual set of measurements before. But I love it. So this is the other half of the paper, because obviously, as you can see, it only needs half a sheet. And I've deliberately decided to use it because I want to see what it looks like with the rest of the suite. Okay, so I'm going to trim off there, and I'm going to get rid of this little skinny rectangle. And then cut straight up these ones. I'm going to wedge a little bit as well while I'm here, why not? And this one as well. So I'm going to put tear and tape down here. Oops. So yes, Poodles Advent Countdown is coming. I'm very excited. I've made pretty much all the projects, and like I say, it's going to last 5 weeks. So Monday, Wednesday and Friday will be a 3D festive project every week, and Tuesdays and Thursdays there will be a card festive project, and they will all be on video. And then Saturdays and Sundays will be my usual static card projects on my blog, as like I say, you're quite used to them now. Yeah, Poodles Advent Countdown historically has always been a weekly thing, but this time I decided I was going to go in for a penny, in for a pound, and straight in for it. Okay, so I'm just going to grab a couple of clips because I want to hold this closed and grab the ribbon that is part of this suite, which says Merry Christmas on it, and there is obviously one way up and the other way up. I don't think I'm going to get a bow on this. I think I'm going to do a square knot, because if I try to do a bow it would be upside down and it would say Christmas Merry instead of Merry Christmas or something like that, which, you know, would be very me. Okay. See, look. Oh no, I've just left it saying Chris. I might trim that a bit more. There we go. So that's cute already with a different ribbon on it, isn't it? So, and now we've got these three new Delicata, I believe is how you pronounce it, but metallic inks. So we've got Silvery Shimmer, Celestial Copper and Golden Glitz, and obviously because we've got copper going on there, I'm going to Stampin' Copper. So let me find some scraps of Whisper White, and my three lovely stamps. I've literally just peeled off the packaging for this. I've no idea what it's going to look like when it stamps out. I hope really gorgeous. I'm sure it will be gorgeous. One of those on there, one of those on there. A small one for this one. Okay, so I need to look at these to make sure I'm getting these the right way around. So we'll start with this one. Ooh, that looks like it's got a little bit of oomph in it. Ooh! Oh, look at that. Can you see that shine? Wow. Wow. Ooh, happy Sam! Just made my day. That's gorgeous. That's really gorgeous. Oh, where's the shine? Look at that. Blimey. Ooh. Oh, I want to get all the others out now and have a play. Should we do that? Why not? Oh, let's get them all out. I'm trying to tip it. There we go. Look at that. Oh, I need to clean those up and get the rest out. We're so not making this project. No, we are. We will make this project, but let me just quickly clean up two of these. Oh look, and they clean up really easily as well. That is clean as a whistle. Okay, so let's try this one. This is the gold. I'll just put those to one side so I don't get them mixed up. Golden Glitz, this one's called. So I'm not going to put these on the project, but let's just have a look anyway. Blimey, God. Look at that. Oh, you need a pair of sunglasses. That is gorgeous. Ooh, if anybody remembers the gold and silver we had many years ago. Nothing like that. Goodness me, they're lush. Ooh. Let's have a look at the silver one. Let's tilt that one as well. You see that? That is just... I can't get over that. I'm really, really... Oh, love it. Oh, like a big excited child. That's so me. Right, let me punch these out or I'm not going to have time to do anything else. I'm just excited now. Oh, I really am. One of those. And, oh, I need to... Not quite close enough. Those are just... That's... Like I say, I don't know how well... You can see the shine, but I don't know if you can see the depths of pigment in those, but that is just amazing. And those are packing a lot of pow. Packing a lot of pow? Packing a lot of punch? I don't know. They're gorgeous. That's all I can say. They're gorgeous. Somebody's texting me. Who's texting me? That would be my husband from downstairs. At least he's not ringing me. Where's my dimensionals gone? Oh, I'm just too excited to do anything now. I don't know where they've gone. Oh, new packet then. Good excuse. They are gorgeous, aren't they? And you know what? I don't think this project needs anything else. I think that's enough. I probably should have done it, now I'm looking at it, on Very Vanilla. But I didn't. I did it on Whisper White. Oops. Because it's vanilla in there. I don't care, they're gorgeous. Look at that. Amazing. Oh, there's only a tiny little bit coming off. Seriously, if those of you who've been around a while remember the old gold and silver we had, do you know what? You could dry it you could dry it for a year and it still wouldn't be dry and be off everywhere. But that, well, it's not smudged the bit that I've just rubbed. And yeah, it's only a tiny bit come off. Not even a tiny bit. Anyway, oh, I'm all excited. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Look out for Poodle's Advent Countdown starting on Monday. See you soon. Bye. I'm going to go and play some more.